Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of our Certified Supplier Initiative Shanghai Shantou Factory Tour. This has been organized by the China Toy and Juvenile Products Association, or CTJPA, and we evaluate toys or baby products based on our 5 criteria. That's going to be product safety, safety assurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility. And today we are here in Shanghai, Shantou. It is known as the China Toys and Gifts City. I'm in the center of this all. And Shanghai is actually a hub for more than, if not more than, thousands and thousands of local toy and gift and anime manufacturers, franchisers, and service providers. We are here today at Banbao Co Limited's factory. I am going to give you a tour. I'm going to show you the workshop, the showroom, name it. You'll have a full tour of this factory. So if that excites you, I want you to stick around and just enjoy the video. All right, so Banbao Co Limited was established in 2003. And this factory is actually a certified ISO 9001 and also 14001. And their products comply with the EN71 and ASTM F963 standards as well. That means all their products actually comply with the EU and the US standards. Now they have 2 factories, and there's a total of 120,000 square meters. They have the Haojiang factory, which is about 66,666 square meters. That's a lot of sixes. And they have fully automated production workshop there. Now, I'd like to mention as well that it is a Sino-Foreign joint venture high-tech enterprise that specializes in the research and development, production, sales, and service of educational toys, infant toys, and precision molds. Banbao was officially listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange market in 2015. Now I'd like to take you to their workshops. Follow me. All right, so we are in one of their workshops right now, and I am here actually in one of their facilities, which is the CNC processing equipment and mold workshop. Now, they introduced the International Advanced Computer Processing Technology, construction of a perfect quality assurance system. This actually ensures the stability and quality of mold designing, processing, etc. ERP and MES systems are used to interconnect each process for smart production. That includes printing machines, manipulators, sealing machines. These are all automated. I can just show you a little bit of video of all the machines that they have here, and check out this actual clip right now. They have 80 injection molding machines, 70 manipulators, and then the workshops are equipped with 3D detectors, color light boxes, calipers, stop gauges, torque inspection, and all these. All right, I am here. It's pretty loud, but I'm in one of their injection machine facilities. Now they have about 80 of these machines here. It provides automation, it provides efficiency, it can meet all their demands because they have 80 machines. And I want to show you how it actually works. And we have our friend over here. These are fresh that came out from the molding machines, and he's doing a visual check right now. All right, so I'm here in one of their facilities right now where they sort and package all the bricks. Everything is automated, as you can see, but let me give you a little history about this company because they've been around for 18 years, right? So back then, they used to have manual sorting and manual packaging. They used to have like around 100 or more than 100 employees. But now, because thanks to technology, thanks to automation, they run around 7 people on this huge facility alone, this floor. As you can see, there's gonna be a panoramic view of this facility. You can see how many machines that they have, but let me get back with this conveyor. So this conveyor sorts each brick based on the end of the conveyor line where they will be sorted. And then they also have, I want to show you this one. Can you show this one? So on this part, maybe it's not active right now. So this actually sorts which ones are not meeting the good quality. It will be discarded, will be put in another bag, and the ones that are good will actually drop here. And then, if you follow me, it goes to the next part as well. So there's another color. There's another part here. It's not been set yet. As you can see, each part is being observed and being scanned. So it's computerized, it's fully automated, it avoids errors, it's really accurate. And then goes to another conveyor part. The conveyor goes on, and can you follow me? Let's go over here, follow me. So it goes on different parts based on the requirement at the end of the conveyor. So I want you to come here, follow me. It's really cool. So on this part is the end of the conveyor belt, right? So everything was sorted, everything automated, everything was checked, no errors, but sometimes machines can have errors at some point, right? But we have our friends over here who's been checking even visually and sorting them out. They weigh them specifically, and then if they see some discrepancies, they check them and then put it back into circulation. So it really, really shows that how accurate, how precise, even on the packaging level. All right, so now we are here at the printing facility, and like as you can see on my side here are one of their pad printing machines over here. It's one of the many that they have. All right, so as you can see, each part is actually painted. Everything's automated. That's a pad printing machine. Now I want you to follow me because I want to show you something more special. All right, let's enter here. Can you follow? All right. So, ni hao, hello. So I'm here right now. A special machine actually. This one is actually one of the UV spraying or UV painting machines. And so every single piece looks exactly the same. That's the advantage of machinery, right? So aside from that, I want to show you here, it's quite similar as well, all right? They have this one, okay? This is also one of the painting machines. As you can see, it uses UV light. The purpose of this is actually so that the paint actually sticks and never wears off. It is more durable than just regular spraying the paint. So that UV light actually helps. But I have one thing here. Remember the static and kinetic, right? So it actually exposes these, all the bricks or all the plastics so that it doesn't conduct all the static energy. Therefore, it doesn't attract hair or fur or something like that. This machine does that, all right? It's pretty interesting. All right, so we are here right now at the showroom of Banbao. And let me just give you a little bit of insight. They've been developing all these toys for the past 10 years with their amazing R&D department. And also, they export to 70 countries around the world and different regions around the world. And they also had cooperation with big brands such as Toys R Us, like Walmart, like Lotus, CP, and all these big brands. So without further ado, I want to feature one of their products. I'm really excited about this because I'll give you a hint. It's about space. All right, so by now, I think you do know that here in this showroom, I'm surrounded with millions and millions of bricks, right? So I'd like to share with you guys something really special to me. I gave you a hint earlier. I said space. And what I have here right now on my side is the Explore series. Now, the Explore series is some sort of a simulation of the how to colonize Mars. It's basically Mars. As you can see, the color of the terrain itself is kind of reddish brownish, right? And these SKUs or these products are sold separately. They are 8 sets, so you have to buy individually and form your own planet, colonize Mars. So it's really great for kids who are interested with space. Especially, I am a 43-year-old guy. I've been following Elon Musk, right? And recently, China just landed their rover. And this is it, like this one. I love how the color theme is. Of course, space is white and everything, right? But this is the rover lander. They have different stuff, and I like this one specifically, and I cannot remove it. It's what the habitat. I think they simulate the habitat here, so it actually ignites kids, you know, to be interested with space exploration, because after all, it's gonna be the space age in the future, right? So this is the Explore series, and let's check out some other toys. Okay, so the wonderful thing about bricks is it covers different age brackets, from toddlers, from infants to toddlers to kids, even with adults just like me. And I find this really interesting because what I've heard from their general manager, that these kind of toys, they actually study and play with it in school. Therefore, they train the kids. It's called the programmable toys. So it shows different wedges. They operate with dynamos. I'm pretty sure about that. And they're battery operated. But right now it doesn't have any batteries, but it shows different gears, cogs. And as you can see, they're for kids, for kindergarten, because of the size of the, it's a hint for the size of the studs. But this is early learning, but early educational learning, just playing with these bricks. It's really, really cool. And I've heard, like, in different kindergarten schools, there's selected kindergarten schools that actually play with this and learn from them as well. All right, here on my side right now are their STEAM edition of robotic toys. And STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Math. So these are educational toys. Definitely, kids are gonna love these, especially in school. It could be projects, right? And I'd like to highlight these because these are actually ready for export already. Some are already pending to be passed, like the EN71, ASTM F963. So some of them are already ready for export. So if you guys are interested, you know who to find, right? Just look for Banbao Company Limited. But anyway, let's move to the other toy over there. I'd like to share with you. Can you follow me? And this is also one of their STEAM toys. And these specifically, I love these. I think I can pick one of them, right? If you look closely, I can see ICs over here, IC circuit boards. These are more intricate, more complicated. Actually, these are actually sold as well abroad. They are also ready to be sold abroad, right?
Need to pass the export
okay, just need to purchase the export certification, yeah. But these are really, really cool. I can see, these are really mechanical. Oh my gosh. Look at the IC boards. Look at that. I think this is like for big boys. I can see a USB. I wish I had my power bank. I want to see this one right now. And I want you to check out some of the other toys as well here. It's more like robotics and mechanics, right? That's pretty cool. Yeah, check this out. Banbao. Not just your regular bricks. I can see mechanics, IC boards. Wow, and check this out. This one actually simulates drawing. I think you have to program it. Look at that. And now I want to share with you guys their testing laboratory. So even before the product will actually be released, after the production line, they have to go first to their testing laboratory. Now I want you to follow me because they are really cool, interesting stuff that I have here. So just follow me. Come on, let's go. So I am here right now in this facility. This is their lab, and this is where they perform several tests like drop test, torsion meter, tension meter, shop point tester, shop edge center, small parts measuring cup, plastic bag thickness, caliper, outbox edge, etc. All these tests will be run, okay, even before they actually go to production. So I want to share a specific thing. I mean, we have all these machines here, and I want to share one cool thing here. So actually this machine, they have to measure, this one came straight out from the production line, and they measured the length, the width, the dimensions, how accurate when it came out there, even before they actually release it for the assembly line. So, or the packaging. This is the temperature box, right? Because the company exports to 70 countries around the world, different regions. That means whether it's North America, it is Europe, it is Southeast Asia, it's the hottest place in the world, it is the coldest place in the world. They want to make sure that the product will withstand all these weather conditions. And now what I have here, it can go at really freezing temperatures to the hottest temperatures. So this alone is just for the temperature tests of their products. And we have here as well, let me just share with you, they have a special testing equipment here. It's more about the packaging actually. So not only the product's precision, size, or measurements, not only if it can withstand the different temperature levels, also the box itself being shipped to you. If you will be our client, if they will be your client, the box itself is tested and how it can withstand when being shipped from point A, which is the factory, to point B, to your warehouse. So they have the drop test, the edge test, and all these special facilities. So I am here at one of the testing lab once again, but this time we're in the physical testing lab. This is where they actually do the torsion or tension tests, also the pull tests, all these different physical tests. And let me just ask this, my friend over here. Hello, ni hao. So what is this? What do you do with this? Oh, this one is the pull test. I want you to take a closer look. And he's actually pulling the part of the toy, and you can see the meter is actually raising. So it's actually trying to see how can it hold that pull. This actually proves that the toy, even before it's released, right? They have this test, this physical test to see how durable they are. And they put that on record and then test the reports. So anyway, let's move to the other facility, shall we? Now we're here at the Research and Development Facility of Banbao Company Limited. And if you can see, they have within this facility, they have different departments as well. Here, what I can see here is like for toddlers, for consumer level toddlers. And on the other end, if you go over there, it's more about the programming. So they have their own different purposes. And this facility alone houses about 50 people of designers, engineers. And I'm trying to be quiet right now because although these are just bricks, these guys are really serious about it because of all those thousands, if not hundreds, but thousands of SKUs that they have. This is where the magic happens. This is where the brain is, right? The design. But I want to share with you guys a really interesting product. And this product is not out yet in the market, right? So I'm really excited to share it with you guys. You get a sneak peek of some things coming out soon, actually. It's actually a new concept, a toy car. It's more like a DIY. It's gonna be out second quarter of this year, 2020. Actually, I think it's out now. If you're watching this video, probably it's out now. So it's something to look forward to, all right? So they just don't build existing SKUs, they build more and more new designs. And that is the Research and Development Facility. Now, one of the criteria, of course, last but not the least, is social responsibility. And this ensures that each employee has been taken good care of, right? So Banbao Company Limited, of course, they have this huge dormitory behind me. And this is in line with the IETP standards. It is a 5-story dormitory building. It can house up to 2 to 6 people per room, all right? They also have rooms special for couples. And they have 100 dorms in total in this 5-story building. And then it's included with all the facilities that's been provided, all the necessities like centralized hot water and all these things. All right, I'm obviously in the kitchen right now. And let me just add, a while ago, I just shared their dormitory and all that stuff, right? But now we're at their pantry. And here at the canteen or pantry, it can actually house about 300 employees at a time. They have 40 tables here, all at the same time. And as you can see, people are enjoying their meals right now. Say, hello, ni hao. There you go, lovely faces, they're smiling, right? All right, let me give you a little bit of insight about the company, Banbao Company Limited. But to help me with that, of course, joining me right now is Wendy, and she is the sales. Let me shake your hand.
Oh,
Wendy.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Wendy, their sales manager, and I'd like to ask a little bit, a couple of questions with her. And so, Wendy, so I just wanted to know, because I was going around and how huge this company is and how like thousands of SKUs, thousands of toys that I've seen here. I'm a big fan of bricks myself, you know.
Yeah,
so I wanted to know, how long has the company been in the toy business?
About 18 years.
18 years?
Yeah.
18 years. So 18 years ago, I was still playing bricks. Until now, I'm still playing bricks.
Yeah.
So 18 years since.
So a long time?
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Very much.
And I can see for 18 years, behind this is actually a wall of collaboration with different brands. I can see Peppa Pig. I know this very well because I'm a dad.
Yeah.
So can you tell me, what are the other big brands that you guys work with? Or
you can see like this one.
Yeah.
We cooperate with a lot of supermarkets, like TRU, very famous in USA, right?
Yeah.
So other Walmart.
Yeah, Walmart.
Yeah, also very well known, right?
Yeah, it's a very big chain. Yeah.
Walmart. Tesco.
Tesco, yeah.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
Europe, Tesco.
Yeah, yeah.
And also I can see Toys R Us.
Yeah, just TRU.
Yeah.
Very famous in
Very American.
Yeah.
Southeast Asia as well.
Right.
Very famous, yeah.
So
Wow,
many.
Amazon, I can see Amazon. And you also have collaborated with like cartoons, like I can see over there, like Peppa Pig, right?
Yeah. This is the IP.
IP, yeah.
Very famous in the UK, right?
UK and
Yeah.
US. I mean, my kid, myself, is a big fan of this. He's gonna watch Peppa Pig the whole
Right,
day.
very.
Yeah. But anyway, so been in the market or toy business for 18 years. And
Yeah.
it makes me curious. Like, you've been in the business so long, for 18 years.
Yeah.
So I wanted to know, like, what about the future? What is the future plan of Banbao Company Limited? Can you at least share a little bit of insight?
So Banbao is very strict with the ABS, but all new material, right?
Mm-hmm.
So all the materials are green environmental ABS. So it is very to ensure children can play safely. This is our core. So in the near future, we will also follow the coming process of the toy future and try to make the Banbao the most popular brand in the building construction toys as well as the educational toys. It is our future dreams. Yeah.
And you just mentioned like making it environmental friendly with this ABS plastic.
That means green material.
Exactly.
All our materials are made with green material.
Wow.
So ABS.
I mean, yeah, that is the future, because I mean everybody's concern right now is, you know, we all produce these products, and I really admire like how you think about the future, not just about producing the toys, about the environment as well. I'm really impressed with that.
Because all our completed products were sent to the third land, like SGS for tax. Yeah, to carry out some reliable testing. To make sure
the third-party labs, right?
To meet the Euro standards or US standard. You know that they are very strict with standard safety standard, right?
EN 71 ASTM.
EN 71 ASTM, like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that is really interesting, and I really enjoyed the tour with this factory, and I really want to thank you for your hospitality, Banbao the best, and thank you for the hospitality and for the really thorough tour of this factory. Thank you, Wendy.
Thank you.
So I like to thank Wendy. It's a sales manager. So if you want to if you want to contact Banbao Company Limited, you know who to find. Of course, you can contact them directly, or you can contact CTJPA for more information about this factory.